Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
He's Ray Ferraro down at ice level. My name is James Cebulski for EA Sports, set to bring you what should be a fun one here tonight. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
We are about set to drop the puck as both centers make their way into the dot. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Slides it back to the blue line. Lights him up into the boards. Moves it to Panarin. And now it's grabbed by Provorov. Traps that puck tight to his chest. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Moves right to the middle and he slides it quickly to Kulikov. Sends it down low. Right up front, deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Team Italy's got the puck along the wall. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Oh, big time use of physicality on that one. Moves it quickly over to Kulikov. Sends the pass down low. Receives the pass. Italy's got the puck along the boards. And the goalie covers up for the whistle.
Larkin's trying to send a message here in the first period of this game. There's no goals, but you want the other team to know that you're ready to play.
While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Carries it in. Takes the feed at the point. Centering pass, and that caroms right off the mask.
This is a quality chance that the goaltender turns aside, right from the slot. Oh, we'll get another look here. He takes this shot right in the mask. Even with as good as these masks are, that can be a dangerous save.
Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Stones him in front. Puck scooped up by Sergachev. Team rushes, moving it into the offensive end. Chance right in front, and the shot dies in the traffic jam. In front of the net, the goaltender covers up for a whistle on the play. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. And now it's over to Sergachev. Rushes on the attack. The turnover. Here they come. Sends the pass over. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And now he moves it quickly to Orlov. Sergachev's going to play it against the half wall. Stopped by the goaltender. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Back at the point, they set it up. Stopped by the goaltender. And down he goes as the puck goes free. And that goes wide. Team Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Slides the puck over. Through the offensive zone and behind the net now. That goes off a twig. Oh, and he completely blew it on that miss.
Yeah, you got to get it on the net, James. You've got an opportunity to score, and you don't even test the goalie.
Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Looks to pass it to Anisimov. Quick feed to Kucherov. Shot, and there's the save. Grabs the puck in the corner. Tried the corner, but it goes off the side of the net. Taken along the wall by Tarasenko. And he slides it quickly to Kucherov. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And a bad pass, and they'll be forced to start all over again outside the offensive end. Here's a short pass to Sergachev. Can't get a hold of that pass. Now a quick pass to Zaitsev. Here's a chance. Sends it across, and that clangs off the iron. Along the boards, they battle for the puck. And some nice footwork to free the puck up to his teammate. With the stop. Zaitsev's playing it along the line. Quick pass to Kucherov. And the puck departs the zone. Kucherov's moving the puck through his own zone. Passes on over to Tarasenko. And that one's turned away. Sends a pass over. They've got numbers on the attack along the boards. Right in front of the net. Russia's gained possession. Moves it to Ovechkin. Right in the slot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Handles the puck. Coughs it up in the neutral zone. Fires it. Oh, that just goes wide. Picked up along the boards by Provorov. Takes the pass. From against the wall into the open ice. Big-time defensive play. Through center along the wing. Moves it quickly over to Larkin. Takes the feed. Feeds the puck across to Radulov. Quick feed to Provorov. And he makes the save. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. And that's out of reach and out of the offensive zone. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck in his chest. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale. Malkin's won it in their own end. Lifts the stick and takes the puck. Handles the puck at the point. Way off target. Here's a short pass to Malkin. Knocked away. Moves the puck. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Turns it aside. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Slides that one right across the blue line. Comes up with the stop. They fight for it along the boards. Buchnevich is picking up momentum through center. Wrist shot from the slot. Scores! Kuch! Nikita Kucherov!
Really good work in the offensive zone here as the shooter keeps moving around till he finds the open spot. In this case, it's goal. He's in the high slot, and he hammers it home.
Team Russia's had all sorts of opportunities here in this first period. They finally lead.
But I've liked the way that they've done this, James, because they haven't started to press. They've just continued to be aggressive, to work the forecheck, and they're finally rewarded.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. And now he tries to get it across to Zhdanov. With possession along the wall. Hammers one. And that shot dies in traffic. Quick pass to Buchnevich. Moves the puck along the half wall. Scrum along the boards as they battle for the puck. Strong defensive effort. Heads deep inside the offensive zone.
Whoa.
Scores!
That's just a minute between goals.
That sure changes things here on the ice.
Yeah, the game has completely been turned upside down. Really nice play. Quick pass on the tape and into the net. So quickly the goalie can't get closed up and make the save.
Rush has found themselves in the driver's seat now with a 2-goal lead. Nice offensive start.
Really good start, really quick. Now you've got the other team scrambling around, but there's too much time left in the game to sit back and try to defend it. Be aggressive.
The goaltender is quickly off to his bench to get the extra attacker out. Lets one go. Way too much congestion blocks that. Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. And he's going to get 2 for hooking on the play, Ray.
He should. I mean, he gets his stick out parallel to the ice. He gets it across the player's midsection, and that's kind of a red flag for that penalty.
Well, this gives us our first chance to take a look at the team's power play unit.
I always felt on the power play, the first one was really important for any team. If you stumble around on the first power play, guys start to press as you get more and more of them through the game.
Slides the puck near the front of the net. There's another stop.
Oh, he followed the puck really well there. A couple of good stops.
Denies him in front. Team Russia still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone and manages to clear the zone. Russia's got the puck along the wall and tries to make a diagonal pass to Kuznetsov. From one point man to another. Glove save and an easy one at that.
He makes the glove stop right from the slot. That's a dangerous chance.
More than half the frame has been played here. 2-0 is where we sit. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. And it's a quick pass to Kulikov. Takes that pass back at the point. Moves it to Kulikov. From the opposite point.
Really solid shift here. Their puck possession game has been outstanding. Now they've got it again, and they can hold it down underneath the blue line.
Team Italy's got the puck shorthanded. Gets it out of his own end. And the goalie comes out to play the puck. Both sides back to even strength. A great effort by the penalty killers there.
Oh, man, what a good power play, but it doesn't change the big numbers up on the score clock. Couldn't score, but all kinds of chances.
Nice pass. Moves it quickly over to Kulikov. Here's a shot off the glove. Here's a pass down low. Quick feed to Malkin. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Carries it across the line. Handles it along the blue line. Snaps one on net. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Shot. Big time glove save. Team Russia's got the lead here late in this first period. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Zadorov. Zadorov swooping in on the attack. Sends it over. Big save.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance.
Russia's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Anissimov's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Denied by the goaltender. Just here in the late stages of this frame, and it's a 2-0 hockey game. Anissimov's won the draw. And here's a shot. Comes up with the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Puts it on goal. Just wide of the net. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. traps that puck tight into his chest. And we're going to get a whistle here.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Team Russia's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Denied by the goaltender. Russia's got the lead here late in this first period. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck to his chest. Team Russia's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. Sends the pass over. Kucherov's got it in the offensive zone. Along the half wall with the puck. Slides the puck over. Quick pass to Dadonov. And he slides it quickly to Kucherov. And now he moves it quickly to Dadonov. Takes the shot with the stop. Russia's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves it to Sergachev and loses possession after a solid hit. And he slides it quickly to Orlov. Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Taken by Nemesnikov. Gives them nothing in front.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Oh, and a misfire as that goes right out of the zone. And nearing the final 60 seconds of this opening stanza. Nemesnikov's got it into offensive territory. Here's a shot and makes the save. Sidorov's got it along the wing. Moves it quickly over to Sidorov. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Now a quick pass to Ovechkin. Puts the puck on net. Big time save with the blocker. Team Russia's got the lead here late in this first period. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. And the first period comes to an end. 2-0 after 20 minutes of play. Still lots of time left in this one, but a comfortable lead already.
Hey fans, don't forget our 50-50 draws coming up in the middle of the third period.
Both teams heading down the tunnels. We'll take a quick breath ourselves and be back for the second period. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Second period set to go. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. Ray, what's your assessment of the game to this point?
Italy's got to find another gear or 2 or 3 here. They've been behind almost all night. They haven't had the puck very much. As a result, they're behind on the board as well.
Tested there, but rose to the challenge. Russia's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Too much congestion blocks the shot. Stretch pass. Sends a pass over. Passes it to Panarin. Quick feed to Radulov. Here's a shot. Stopped by the blocker. Here's a short pass to Malkin. Big save by the goaltender once again. Blast from the blue line. Just misses.
Man, he snapped that right up over top of the net. He doesn't miss by much.
Team Russia's gained possession along the boards. And now he angles it across to Malkin. Handles the puck. Malkin's got it against the boards. Here's a shot. Gets a glove on it to make the save. Russia's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Kuznetsov's won the draw here in the offensive zone. And that goes off a player in front. Nemestikov's got the puck. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. Takes the pass. Puts a little mustard on the hit to knock the puck loose. And he takes a shot, and a great save. Gets control of the puck here in his own end. With authority. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Oh, he'll feel that one. Kuznetsov stick handling in his own zone. Team Italy's got it in the neutral zone. Moves it around along the half wall. Jabs the puck away. Oh, he misses the net.
Not by much, but I guess it really doesn't matter, right? If it's not on net, it can't go in.
Fair point. Here's an odd man rush. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Blocker save. Picked up along the wall by Tarasenko. Denies him again.
Oh, he's locked right in. A couple of stops in a row there.
Takes the feed. Takes it across the blue line. Lets it go from the slot. Gets a glove on it to make the stop.
High quality chance, high quality save. I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. We've got a 2-0 game here tonight. Gets in front of it. Over the line they come. Puts one on net. Comes up with the stop. Team Russia's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Answers it with an even better save. Moves the puck. Up along the wing. Puts it in deep. Russia's got the puck along the boards. Slides the puck ahead to Zadorov. Nice pass. Lets it go. And that one's stopped. On the attack along the boards. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Tarasenko's carrying it ahead. Slides it across. Makes the save. Here's a shot. Oh, gets a glove on it to make the stop. Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. 2-0 is the score. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Goalie plays it up. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. And now he moves it to Larkin. Takes the feed. Rips it, can't get it to go. Kovalchuk's picking up steam. Kovalchuk's going to play it against the half wall. Oh, absolutely owns the crease tonight. Team Russia's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Drills them. Gets the puck over to Orlov. Quick pass to Sergachev. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Back to the blue line. Moves it to Orlov. Shot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Make the save, help yourself out at the same time. Good stop, but the better part is that he gets the puck away from the front of the net.
Here they come on the attack. with possession along the wall. And he stands tall in goal. Russia's got a hold of it along the wall. Receives the pass. Moves the puck along the half wall. Right in the slot, and they can't connect. Into the corner now. Scooped up along the wall by Kuznetsov. Puts it to the front of the net. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. Gets it to the other point. Great glove save.
Russia's not taking their foot off the pedal. They've been aggressive this entire period, and they're controlling the play and have the lead.
Team Russia's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Moves it quickly over to Zadorov. Move to the middle, and a stick in the lane ends that threat. Malkin's got it on the offensive end. Quick feed to Malkin, and makes the save. Russia's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Italy's got the puck in the defensive end. Obstruction penalty coming up. Looks like a hook here. Here comes the official's decision. Radulov's getting called for 2 minutes here by the officials.
Once he puts up his little token argument here, he's going to circle around a bit and try and regroup here as he goes to the penalty box.
Were you a haggler?
Always. You never think it's the right call.
Power play unit comes out for the face-off.
It'll be their initial power play of the evening, James. The best power plays, they move the puck and move their feet at the same time. You'll force the penalty killers back a little more defensively than they'd like to be.
Team Italy's got the puck along the wall. Sends the pass over. Puck grabbed by Dodanovs. And they send it right back to him. Dodanov's got it in the offensive zone. Moves the puck behind the net. Right to the middle. Knocked away. Too much traffic in the lane. Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Here's an opportunity to get the puck out of their own end. Cross the blue line, and they'll get that much-needed change, Ray.
Yeah, they've got to get guys off the ice. They look tired. Now you can get a fresh group on the ice.
Slides the puck over. Here's a shot. Turned aside with a glove by Varlamov. Team Russia's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Back to the point it goes. Point shot, and puts that high.
Rarely is a defenseman going to beat a goalie from the blue line anymore. That has to be lower, get a puck that can be turned into a rebound.
Russia's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Slides the pass over to Malkin. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. Hammers the shot. And that carries off a stick. Carries it in. Pass back to the point. Hammers one at the net. Makes the save and putting out the fire in front. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it. Takes the pass. Along the half wall with the puck. Puck picked up by Panarin. Panarin's got it across the line. And sends it just out of reach. Grabbed along the boards by Radulov. Team Italy's got the puck in their own end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the feed at the back end. Makes the save with the glove. Team Russia's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Oh, great play to use the wall handling the pass. Looks to set up at the point now. Takes the feed. Great defensive effort with the stick. Carries it across the line. A chance in front, and he comes up with it. Moves it around along the half wall. There's a big hit against the boards.
You want to squeeze by because you know the middle of the ice is the bad place? You go up the wall sometimes, the door gets slammed.
Oh, what a stop! Takes the puck along the boards. Here's a chance on the doorstep. Stopped by the goaltender. Moves the puck. On the attack along the boards. That's a solid check on the play. Into the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Stopped by the goaltender.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
Here's a short pass to Kulikov. Hammers it. Great glove save. Takes the feed from his netminder. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Move to the middle. Quick pass to Provorov. Takes it across the blue line. Here's a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Oh, and another big stop. Italy's gained possession along the boards. Moves it to Zaitsev. Lets it go. And there's the save.
Man, he pounded that shot. But the goalie was in good position and made the save.
Late goings of this period. And it's a comfortable 2-0 lead we're looking at right now. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. At center, takes the pass. Snaps one from the slot with the stop.
Flashes the leather right in the slot on a difficult chance.
Russia's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Zaitsev. Into the corner. Lets it go. And that one's turned away. Quick feed to Kucherov. Great reflexes, another save. Team Russia's generated a lot of quality scoring chances, which is why they lead here late in the second. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Over the line they come. Nice pass. Oh, just puts it off the post.
Team Italy's only looking for something to go right. Get themselves back in this contest. But this hits the goalpost, and the score remains unchanged.
Well, the official's going to give him 2 minutes to think about that one.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know at this point you're going to sit down.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Sometimes you have to have the shortest of memories when you play on a specialty unit like the power play. It hasn't gone very well for them so far tonight. They have to attack this power play with a renewed vigor.
Russia's got the puck along the boards and manages to clear the zone. And they'll dump it in. Gets it out of his own end. Trying to get something going here with this man advantage as they start from their own end. Team Russia's got possession here in the neutral zone. There's the whistle from referee Gilles Levesque, and a penalty coming up that'll do it for the power play. He's going off for tripping, Ray.
Reaching in for the pocket, he gets his stick caught in their feet.
A little more room out there with a little 4-on-4. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And he makes the save. Taken along the wall by Kuznetsov. Comes up with the stop. Team Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Now he takes it over the line. With possession along the wall. Big play inside the defensive zone. And that'll do it for period number 2. 2-0 is where we sit after 40 minutes of play.
The good old days of hockey are back. Vintage jerseys are now available at kiosks throughout the arena and at our main...
And we'll be right back for what should be a very intriguing third. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Third period action ready to go. Here we go. Put up or shut up for both teams here in this third period. We are underway. Well, we've got 2 periods under our belts to this point so far, Ray. How do you see things?
Italy's first 2 periods have been marred by turnovers. Every time it looks like they're going to get something going, they burp up another one. They don't have the puck much, and they're behind in the game.
Their man's now out of the box, and they'll take advantage on the power play. Deep inside the defensive end, still trying to clear. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, that's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
Italy's going to be able to kill a few seconds off now with the puck. And manages to clear the zone. Strong penalty-killing execution as both sides are now back to even strength.
Well, if they were going to stay in the game, they had to kill that off. You cannot lose touch with the score here.
Stayed by the goaltender, who stayed with it on the redirect.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
Here they come on the attack. Puts it on net, denied by the goaltender.
Another look at that. Oh, yeah, here it is. Oh, yeah, good work, guys. Good work, Brannigan. Getting this thing right. What a stop by the goaltender.
Russia's done a wonderful job putting a lot of pucks on net, and they lead it early in this third period. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Team Russia's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Ovechkin's got it along the wing. Great heads-up play in the defensive zone. That's taken away. Great defensive effort there. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Here's a short pass to Kuznetsov. Kuznetsov's lugging the puck.
Oh, he laid a solid hit on him there. He was waiting for him and laid the shoulder right into him.
That might loosen a few of the choppers on that play. Slides it back to the blue line. Moves the puck along the half wall. Good battle along the boards for the puck. Pokes it away in his own end. Team Italy's got the puck along the wall. And now it's over to Nemestikov. Nemestikov swooping in on the attack. Nemestikov's got it against the boards. Stick save.
Yeah, he gets out on top of the shooter. There's really nowhere for that puck to go.
Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Just a great defensive read there.
Team Russia's been in the right position all game long. They've intercepted plays like this since the beginning.
And it's a quick pass to Sergachev. And he slides it quickly to Bushnevich. Denied by the goaltender.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Still lots of time left in the period. 2-0 is where we sit. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. What a phenomenal stop by the goaltender there.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
Oh, that's a good hit. From the point, they take control of it. Picked up along the boards by Anisimov. Shoots it, gobbles that puck up with his chest. And the referee has blown his whistle, bringing a stop to the play.
Now that looks good. It was a good save, and he made it look even better.
Russia's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Anisimov's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Quick pass to Zadorov. Centering pass! Scores!
a really good shot. The goaltender's down in the butterfly. He thinks he's got mostly everything covered, but apparently not. The puck gets by him.
Team Russia's having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
And now it's grabbed by Zaitsev. Here they are on the attack.
By number 91.
Right in front. Oh, and he can thank his stick for that one.
They're working really hard these days to make sure when they stop the puck,
He scores! Alexander Radulov!
Really good work here in the offensive zone. They don't score early, but they stay on it. They retrieve the puck again. They get a couple of chances. They wear them out, and eventually they score.
And they're going to change goalies.
I guess you can't pull the whole team, so you just pull the goalie. He's had enough go past him tonight.
Russia's all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
And now he tries to get it across to Radulov. To his teammate with the stop. Malkin's got the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Panarin. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Provorov's gaining momentum. Takes the feed. Along the half wall with the puck. And he slides it quickly to Larkin. Across the point. Receives the pass. Sends the pass over. And that's broken up. Puck scooped up by Provorov. Panarin's got it into offensive territory. Here's the pass. Here's a chance right in the slot. Takes a bump but hangs on to the puck. Takes the feed at the point. Centering pass. Lets the wrister go. Turns it away.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Malkin. Set it out in front. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Good hit to bump him off the puck. Team Italy's gained possession along the boards. Carries it in. Slides the puck over. Puts it towards the net. Blocker save. Team Russia's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Moves it around along the half wall. Frank's going to play it against the half wall. On the attack along the boards. Makes the save. Takes it in front. Moves it to Nemestikov. Carries it across the line. Kuznetsov's got it in the offensive zone. Now a quick pass to Nemestikov. Big save by the goaltender. With the one-timer and another stop.
He's right on it. 2 consecutive saves. Tough ones at that.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Sends a pass over. Puts it up front. Lays the body. Handles the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Point-to-point pass. Hammers the shot. Misses a golden opportunity there. Stones him in front.
Oh, you're not going to get a better chance than that, but the goalkeeper does a great job.
Picked up along the wall by Orlov. Moves it over to Tarasenko. And it's a quick pass to Kovalchuk. Back at the point, they set it up. Blocker saved by the goalkeeper. With the one-timer. Again, the denial by the goaltender. Oh, smart heads-up play to poke that one away. Centering pass. Moves it quickly over to Kovalchuk.
Man, they've worked the puck around so well on this shift. They've totally worn out the defending team. About two things are going to happen here, it seems like. They're going to either take a penalty or they're going to give up a goal. This is a great shift.
Taken by Kovalchuk. With possession along the wall. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Slides the puck down low. Moved to the middle. Just can't complete that pass.
Oh, he's got the right play in mind. He just doesn't execute the final pass.
Angles it over to Zaitsev. Buchnevich is carrying it ahead. Handles the puck at the point. That's off a stick. Good hit on the play. And he gains the zone here. Takes the pass. Russia's got control of the puck. Through center along the wing. Keeps hold of the puck. Quick feed to Buchnevich. Zaitsev's got it along the wing. Stopped with ease.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Team Russia's showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Offense his own face-off, and he wins the draw. Here he is from the slot, and he misses.
That's a good scoring opportunity. He doesn't capitalize on a grade A chance.
Shoots it. Oh, Ray, I'm sure he's going to be shaking his head over that one.
Yeah, you just don't get many of them. And when you do get a chance, you want to put it on target.
Rocked on the play. Puck grabbed by Kucherov. Takes a shot and makes the save. He scores. It looked like he had made the save, but that's in the back of the net for a goal.
Wasn't a whole lot of room here, James, but he gets beat just inside the goal post.
Russia's goal-scoring abilities have been on full display so far this evening and here in the third.
Really impressive display. They've moved the puck well, skated, really forechecked. Well, there's really nothing they haven't done tonight.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Tosses it on to Radulov. Here's a chance. Quick shot. Scores! All over the rebound, and he puts it in.
Actually, James, it's amazing to me how many times an odd man rush gets screwed up. They deliver this one perfectly, and they put one on the board.
Team Russia's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
Puck picked up by Radulov. They've got numbers. Sends it across. Gets in front of it. Takes the feed. Moves the puck along the half wall. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. There's the whistle stopping play. Penalty coming up here. Tripping the call on the play.
I don't necessarily think he's trying to trip him here, James, but he gets a stick into his feet. Down he goes.
And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
They've been skunked on the power play so far tonight. So you have a little chat on the bench. Guys notice some things that the penalty killers do, and you try to adjust one step ahead of them.
Knocked away. Here's a chance to make something happen inside the neutral zone. What a great read breaking up the pass. He might have a step here. He's in all alone. Moves the puck. Fires it into the offensive zone. Russia's got it from behind the net. Tarasenko's got it on the offensive end. Here's a short pass to Kuznetsov. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Gets it out of his own end. Team Russia's got the puck along the boards. Looking to break out here on the power play. Here's a shot. Glove saved by the goalie. He'll keep it alive and moves it ahead. Broken up at center.
Russia's really stomping all over these guys. A lot of it is that when they don't have the puck, they get it back so fast. They're able to wind the clock down a little bit here. They don't score on that power play. I don't know that it's particularly important. They don't want to give up anything because they've got such a large lead. They want to run this in on cruise control. This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone.
Scores! On the rebound, he pots it!
The rebound snapped away. What a nice shot. But the goalie's got to do a better job cleaning up that rebound. You can't leave it right there.
Russia's having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway.
Vladimir Tarasenko.
Along the half wall with the puck.
Nikita Kucherov.
Feeds it down low.
Dmitry Kulikov.
Nearing the final 60 seconds of this one. Takes that pass back at the point. Nice pass. Stops him cold. Team Russia's put in one of their most complete efforts that we have seen in quite some time, up big time late in this third. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Quick pass to Nemestikov. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. On the one-timer. Oh, fantastic save. Lightning quick reflexes. Russia's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Up along the wing. Moves it around along the half wall. Handles it along the blue line. Puck sent across the blue line. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone. Takes the feed. Moves it to Kuznetsov. There's the whistle stopping the play with an offside. This is when you want run time. Team Russia's offense has not been a problem tonight. They put a lot of shots on net and laid it big time late in this third period. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Here's an odd man rush. Sends it over. Comes up with the stop. Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Handles it again. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And there's the final horn, bringing this one to an end. A shutout, and more importantly, the W, Ray.
He played an outstanding game right from the very beginning. The tough shots looked easy. He was in control, and he lays a zero on the other guys.
For Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. Thanks so much for joining us, everybody. Have a great night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.